2x. What is the integration of 2x?
2x squared over 2. So x squared over 2. X squared.
And minus 1x.
1x squared. We have 1x over
x m 2m, that is equal to 4. So 2 cut, right?
Yes, sir.
So finally x squared minus 1x m 2m, that is equal to 4. So substitute that 2m squared minus 2m. I applied upper. Now I am applying m squared minus m, that is equal to 4. So squared minus 2m minus m squared plus m, that is equal to 4. Understood why it's plus m?
Yes, sir.
So 4m squared minus 1m squared, 3m squared,
yes,
minus 1m minus 4, that is equal to 0. What are the factors of this? So
factors.
3m squared minus 1m minus 4, that is equal to 0. Factor 3 times minus 4 is minus 12. So I should get the negative one. So 4 and 3. 4 3m squared negative 4 m plus 3m minus 4, that is equal to 0. Got it, huh?
Yes, sir, I got it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So now m from 3m minus 4 plus 1 common, 3m minus 4, that is equal to 0. 3m minus 4 and m plus 1, that is equal to 0. So 3m is equal to minus 4 is equal to 0. M plus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal to 4 divided by 3. M is equal to negative 1.
Okay, sir.
Find the M such that. Got it, huh?
Yes, sir, I'll try again, sir.
Yes.
Sir, do you mind if I get water?
Okay.